What's going on, everybody? It's WildBlueYonder, and today I'm at the preparatory school and we're all going up as a class up to the Air Force Academy. It's going to be sort of like a day in the life type of video. We're going to go around the entire Air Force Academy. I'm going to take you guys along with me. At a certain point, we're all going to be paired up with one cadet. I'm not sure what class he or she might be in, so I'm not sure yet, but hopefully that person will be able to give us some information about what it's like at the Air Force Academy. I know there's not many videos like this on the YouTube. I know there's not many videos like this on YouTube, so hopefully this video can be a little bit insightful to some people who are looking to join. Also, if you want to attend the Air Force Academy or you know somebody who wants to attend the Air Force Academy, the applications opened up March 1st, so go ahead and start your application today as soon as possible. Enjoy the video.
So a little bit about basic cadet training. Some people know all about it, some people don't, so I'm gonna lay the baseline. Basic cadet training is divided up into two parts. First, BCT, or what we'll call Beast, and second Beast. First Beast, 2.5 weeks long, starts on the foot, actually starts at Doolittle Hall.
178 people that signed up to be escorts. Okay, so most of you are going to go one-on-one. When we get towards the end, we start running out escorts, we'll start doubling up at the end there. But
Just remember the suppression you make on these folks today, they're going to remember your basic training, so just keep that.
We paired up with Cadet Comrade, who's a freshman, or as we call it, a 4th degree cadet, and it was actually pretty interesting. He took us to his physics class, and I actually understood quite a bit of the information that they were teaching. And I can thank the prep school for that. So if you get accepted into the prep school, don't be upset because it's really going to set you up for success. Hello.
oh yeah, roughly equal numbers, then we'll do kind of the walking tour here, show you some stuff, then we'll head on down to athletic facilities, all right? So this part up here on the 6th floor, this whole section, not just this room, but the next room, is a special collections branch of the library. So special, old, neat stuff that you can have access to. It's not just for me to come do research, if you want to come read something. So I speak German. They have like an original copy of Mein Kampf from Hitler. Not that that's good bedside reading, but it's a historical document. It's kind of fascinating. I said, this is open here for cadets to come use. Let's see what I got here. So this is, whatever this is written in Latin from the year 1531. Okay?
Act natural.
Simon. And with that, thank you all for watching. all these people behind me. We're back at the prep school now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video before all these people walk behind me. See you guys later.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for watching.
A squad.
Peace out. A squad.
A squad.